Are you looking for the best ergonomic laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Laptop Stand Adjustable Aluminium. Laptop Stand Adjustable Aluminium is a versatile and portable accessory designed to support and enhance the usability of laptops and tablets. Crafted from durable aluminium alloy, this stand can accommodate devices up to 17 inches in size, offering a stable and ergonomic platform for improved visibility and typing comfort. Its adjustable and foldable design makes it convenient for various settings, from desks to on-the-go workstations. Furthermore, the stand features a cooling bracket, which aids in preventing overheating during prolonged use, thus contributing to the overall performance of the device. Number 2. MC928 Laptop Stand. The MC928 laptop stand offers a flexible and practical solution for enhancing the usability of laptops, especially the 17-inch MacBook Air Pro, and other notebooks. Constructed from durable aluminium alloy, this stand comes with a 360 degrees rotatable and foldable design, providing users with the versatility to adjust for their preferred viewing angles and storage convenience. Its compatibility and sturdiness make it a suitable accessory for supporting larger laptops while optimizing ergonomic comfort. The foldable design ensures portability, enabling users to easily transport and use the stand across various work settings. Number 3. LS652 Laptop Stand. I'm unable to source real-time data from Google, however, based on the information provided, the LS652 laptop stand appears to be a versatile and adaptable accessory for laptops, particularly designed for MacBooks. Crafted from durable aluminium alloy, this stand offers a 360 degrees rotatable design, providing users with flexibility in adjusting their viewing angles. The adjustable lift mechanism and sturdy base make it suitable for supporting various models of MacBooks and other laptops, adding ergonomic comfort to work environments. This stand is designed to enhance user experience and portability, enabling users to facilitate a more comfortable and efficient workspace. Number 4. UGREEN Laptop Stand. I don't have access to real-time data from Google. However, based on the information provided, the UGREEN laptop stand is designed to support a range of laptops, including MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and other PC laptops. It features a foldable and vertical design that offers a convenient way to store and transport the stand. This stand is intended to provide ergonomic support for laptops, offering an elevated and angled platform for improved viewing and comfortable typing. The UGREEN laptop stand aims to enhance the user's working experience by providing a practical and portable solution for working on laptops in various settings. Number 5. SeenDa Laptop Stand. The SeenDa laptop stand is an ergonomic and detachable laptop accessory designed to provide a comfortable and elevated platform for laptop use. Crafted from aluminium, this stand offers a sturdy and durable solution for supporting laptops and notebook computers. Its ergonomic design aims to enhance user comfort, offering an elevated viewing angle and promoting better posture during laptop use. The stand's detachable feature provides users with the flexibility to easily disassemble and transport the stand as needed, making it a practical solution for creating a more ergonomic and adaptable workspace.